Hey, this is Don from My Life's Journeys, and welcome to the channel. Uh, in today's video, we're at San Francisco International Airport, and we're going to take a walking tour through Terminal 3. Terminal 3 is used by United Airlines for their domestic and some of their transporter flights, mainly arrivals from Canada. We just left the main security area, and we're going to use that as an anchor for this because there's multiple piers at Terminal 3. I'm going to run this in a couple of segments, each coming back to a start point at that main security desk or the main security checkpoint so that you can get some orientation. So I'm not going to talk through this. I'll let you listen to a little bit of music while you go through, but we'll provide a little bit of background where it makes sense. So enjoy the walkthrough, and if you like it, I invite you to give this a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel and haven't already done so, I do invite you to subscribe and share the video. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think. Really would appreciate it. So follow the walkthrough. This should give you sort of a full perspective on some of the really cool things within this terminal, and I'll come back around as we head back to some of that anchor checkpoint again. So that first segment took us out to gate 60 to 69, and so we're bringing it back to, as you can see on the left, that security checkpoint again. And so we're going to head off to the larger set of boarding gates, and that'll be gates 80 to 90. And so we've got a walk along a fairly long pier to get out to it. As you'll see in a moment, what they have is a really cool almost museum setup as you walk along, and it does change from time to time. I've seen a couple of different features there, but that'll be really, it's quite interesting. Watch it as it goes along. I think this one was showing some stuff from the 1950s, and there it is right now. So the modern consumer of the 1950s, and there's some really interesting items from that era, and I've tried to catch a bit of it as I walked along, but didn't want to stop too much. But I will go back to music and let you let you watch along the way. So we've come around to the end of the pier at gate 90, and I'm going to turn this off while we've got a walk back. Don't need to see a bunch of duplicate of everything. And we'll pick it up again as we get back to the food court area. So get a better view of everything that they've got in terms of food offerings, and then walk back along give you a chance to see the other side of the walkway that has all of the 1950s consumer features in that sort of mini museum that they have sitting there. So I'll let you watch that. Enjoy. So we're nearing the end of the terminal tour. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to be heading into the American Express Centurion Lounge. It's my favorite lounge at San Francisco Airport. So we'll enjoy that for a little while before getting on to my next flight. So thanks very much for watching. Appreciate it, and may all your life's journeys be everything you dreamed of.